Next in CSS, we are going to create navigation bar. It's of two type, horizontal and vertical, and it is generally the list of links. So right now we are creating this navigation bar. This home is a link, country, contact, all these are links. So first of all, we have to create 4 links in body section. So this is our basic HTML code, and within body section we are going to create links. So these are the links we have created. Save it and then click on go live. Now first of all we have to remove these bullets. So for that, here we have to give in head section we have to give style tag, and within style tag we have to mention UL. Then list style type we have to give it none. Save it, and we can see that bullets are gone. Now we have to bring all these links in a single row. So for that, here we have to give li, and here display to inline block. So all the links are in single line. Next we have to remove this underline. So we have to give ul li a, and here text decoration to none. This will remove all the underline from the links. Now next we have to put a background color to this link. So here within ul we have to give background color, and here we are selecting color as blue. Save it, and we can see that it has got a blue strip. Now we have to remove this margin and padding as well. So here margin, here I'm giving it 0, and padding also is 0. Next here I'm setting font size to 30. Font size is 30 pixel. Save it, and this is how it is looking right now. Next we have to give space in between these links. So what we have to do here, in ULLIA where we have written text decoration to none, here we have to put padding, and I'm giving padding to 10 pixel. Now we have to put this about us to right side. So for that, here I'm making one more class, and name is, and here I'm giving float to right. Right now we haven't mentioned it in our link. So here in last li we have to give class with about us. So about us is at the extreme right. Next I want to give background color to this page. So here in body, and here I'm setting background color to this one. So it has been changed. Next, I want that whenever I hover my mouse over these links, then its background color should change. So for that, here ULLIA, and when we hover over it, its background color should change to, yeah, we are taking this color. And now whenever we'll hover over this link, we can see that its background color is changing, but it is coming out of this boundary. So for that, here we have to give padding to 10. Save it, and now it will not come out of that boundary. Next, we are going to put some text over this page. So for that, here I'm using paragraph tag. Lauren into 20, it is going to give us text. Save it, and right now it is looking like this. Now what I want that here we have got a scroll bar. So whenever we are scrolling, this topmost bar is also moving upside. So we have to fix this navigation bar. So here we have to give position, and we have to fix it. Save it, and go live. So we can see that now the this navigation bar is not going up with the text, but it is not total 100% of our screen. So what we have to do here is, here we have to set the minimum width of this bar. Minimum width, and I'm giving it 100%. Save it, and now we can see that our navigation bar is going from left corner to right corner of our screen, and even it is not scrolling up with the text. Now we have to give some space in between this bar and this text. So for that, here in style tag, here we are giving one paragraph tag. We are using paragraph element, and here we are setting top margin, sorry, padding, top padding to 100 pixel. Padding top to 100 pixel. Save it, and you can see that it has got a space in between this navigation bar and this text. Now here we can see that our text this about us is sticking with the margin. So here we have to put padding. Padding right, and here I am giving it to 10 pixel. Save it, and so it has shifted to little left side. So this was our horizontal navigation bar. Next we are going to see vertical navigation bar.